I will explain how to register and login Permata Bank. Step 1. Download the Permata mobile application via the App Store for iOS smartphone and through the Google Play Store for Android smartphones. Step 2. When you start the application, you will see a login option. Click on it. Step 3. On the home screen, you will the option New User, Register Here. Click option. Step 3. Then you will be taken to the Permata mobile banking registration page. Enter your Permata bank account number and ATM PIN. After entering all the data, you can enter the phone number that will be used as a token, SMS, a token, or mobile token. Once successful, you will be led to the terms and condition page. Take your time to read the terms. If so, you can agree to the terms and condition by checking the agree box. Next, there will be a registration code verification page. At this stage, you will be sent an SMS by 63399 to the register number containing for the registration code. For Axis, Smartfren, and 3 cellular operators, as well as for region numbers, you will receive SMS from the number 081 582 63399 or 081 876 63399. Next, enter the registration code in the box provided. If you have not received the SMS, you can select resend. Next, you will go to the use page. Here, you will select user ID and password. Pay attention to the terms and conditions for selecting the name and password request. In addition, you must also enter an email and then select the done button. Next, you will also receive an SMS from the Permata bank operator containing confirmation that the Permata mobile and SMS token service have been active. After you have entered all the data, the Permata mobile service will be active and you can try logging in by re-entering the Permata mobile application.
Permata Banking Mobile Service Picture. Banking information. The banking information provided by Permata Mobile Internet is transfer information on saving balance and account mutation information for the last 90 days. Next, transfer of fund. Meanwhile, for those of you who want to make transfer using Permata Mobile Internet, the banking makes it easy for you to transfer between Permata Bank user, transfer to network member, automatic teller, matching together, and Prima, as well as transfer to other banking use the LLG or RTGS system. Next, Permata Mobile Credit Card. For you credit card user, you can enjoy the Permata Mobile Credit Card facility. In this service menu, you can get various kinds of information ranging from credit card usage notification, simple pay installment application, cash request, temporary limit increases, addition, credit card application to registration for bill payment feature. Next, administration. In addition to the service mentioned above, you can also access Permata Mobile Banking Administration Service. starting from singing password to managing a list of recurring account and billing number that you often use. Next, real-time payment. As we mentioned above, you can make payment in real time anywhere and anytime. There are also many merchants who have collaborated with Permata Bank online payment system ranging from electricity and water, credit card, postpaid, coupon, insurance, loan installments, securities, internet, tickets, television, education, and zakat payments. Next, login fingerprint. Other feature that you can experience by using Permata Mobile Banking, you can use the fingerprint login to secure your saving account. You also don't need to type a user ID password to captcha. To use this feature, make sure your culprit super fingerprint of Touch ID technology. Next, resuing and schedule transfer. To avoid late bill payment, you can also use the recurring and schedule transfer facilities provided by Permata Mobile Banking. Next, Face ID. Permata Mobile X-Factor Face ID, which is facial registration technology so that users can log in quickly and safely. You don't need to bother typing, so you can log in via a smartphone and you can do banking activities easily. Next, we are Pay. In this anti-completed time, user can use the QR Pay feature for payment system using barcode. This payment system is directly connected to the digital wallet with the user account. This feature is to reduce the use of money and control finances on a regular basis. Next, investment. You can trans sales,
Mega Sharia Bank. How to register and login Mega Sharia mobile banking. 1. Register your mobile number at the nearest Mega Sharia Bank branch or place by bringing proof of identity and account ownership. Fill out the application form to be registered on Mega Sharia mobile. 2. The PIN will be sent to your mobile number a maximum of 5 minutes after being registered on Mega Sharia mobile. 3. After getting the transaction PIN via SMS, immediately change the transaction PIN by typing *141*14#, then select another menu and select the change PIN menu. 4. After successfully changing the transaction PIN, you can download the Mega Sharia mobile application in the Play Store and App Store. Read the terms and conditions to move to the next menu. Input password with a digital combination of letters and numbers. 5. The next need to set the origin account and connection by selection data, SMS, USSD. You are ready to use Mega Sharia mobile service.
Mega Sharia Bank. Mega Sharia Banking on mobile service features first, online account opening. Bank Mega Sharia personnel, but prospective customers and existing customers can open an account online without going to a branch office, without making video calls, only through the M-Sharia application, easy as that. For new customers, Bank Mega Syariah personnel only need to take a photo of their identity card, selfie photo, digital signature, and complete a short from Bank Mega Syariah. Personnel already have a Bank Mega Syariah account. An ATM card automatic teller machine is also sent to the others of bank personnel. No funds, no long time. Transfer. Send money to other Bank Mega Syariah accounts or to others banks throughout Indonesia that are connected to the MegaNet network. Pre-money transfer and the joint automatic teller machine ATM. Payment. BMS personnel can make payments easily through M-Syariah, such as paying PLN bills, PDAM water, PSTN telephones, Kelpons, virtual education accounts, institutional virtual accounts, credit cards, and others. Purchases of cellular phone credit, internet data, purchases, PLN, electricity tokens, electronic money top-ups can be easily done by BMS personnel through M-Syariah. Siswas and donation. In fact, Sodaqah, Wakaf, and donation, it is easier faster to give charity through M-Syariah because it has collaborated with official institutions and foundations that manage and distribute zakat, infak, sodaqah, wakaf, and donation. Transats will join charity using M-Syariah in education. With M-Syariah, we can also pin out the Qibla direction of the nearest mosque and transactions. Favorite transaction, no need to remember and record frequently made transactions, simply taking advantage of favorite transaction accounts. BMS personnel can easily make transactions by selection from a list of favorite transactions. Electronic statement. There is no need for a saving books anymore because BMS personnel can see all transaction mutation through the account mutation list, as well as through electronic statements. Go green, go digital. Islamic contents. The location of the nearest mosque, Qibla direction, prayer schedule, blessing articles containing Islamic studies are available on M-Syariah, which makes it easier for BMS personnel without installing a separate application to get these features. BMS info. BMS personnel can find out the details of the available BMS products, but funding products, financing, branch office location, frequency as question via quiz, and news and information about Bank Mega Syariah. Comparison of digital financial innovation in Permata Banks and Mega Syariah Banks. First, registration. In terms of login, Mega Syariah Bank must first register at the office. After that, we can activate and download via the application. Will Permata Bank without visiting the branch, but we can directly download the application and login independently. 2. Feature. In terms of feature, the Mega Syariah Bank has Islamic features such as Islamic content and siswap. Permata Bank also has a zakat feature, but it is only limited to paying zakat, while in Mega Sharia Bank there are also other features: the location of the nearest mosque, Qibla direction, prayer schedule, and blessing articles containing Islamic studies. Differences in other features are also in the investment feature owned by Permata Bank but no in Mega Sharia Bank.